So right here, you're already in position. Just keep your arms out, your toes up. When I pull you off the dock, you're just gonna bring your butt to your heels, nice and slow. Once you get some speed, then you stand up and slowly turn the board. Okay? All right. So the big thing is your toes are a lot stronger than you think. So even if you're all the way forward, as long as you've got like some weight there, it's gonna, their toes will stay up, but you gotta work on like going smooth across the water. So what happens is your body wants to resist.
That's like hard.
Right? So